we have around 9,000 students in YZU, and 9% of the student is international student. So talking about Indian student. So if you come to YZU, you will not feel lonely because we have around 40 degree student from India. In addition, we also have internship student from Sastra program, and Indian student capture around 6% of total international student in YZU, and they are available in every college in YZU. So if you can want to apply for YZU, we have a lot of program, nearly 40 to 50 programs, and half of them are undergraduate program, and more than half is come from master and PhD programs. So in addition to College of Informatics from Professor Chais, and electrical communication engineering. We also have all the programs like engineering, have a College of Management. For example, myself is come from the finance program in College of Management. And we also have humanity and social science. If you want to study something about language, linguistic, design, or so, you can choose a program from humanity and social science. And by the end, we also have a newly, and it is we try to establishing the new college is about medicine. Yeah. So what is the location YZU? If you see the map here, so YZU is located in the north of Taiwan. It's very near Taipei. So if you travel from YZU to Taipei, it's just around 40 minutes. So next, I will show you some of the image and video about the life of the student in YZU. For example, here is um, one video, short video about the Holy Festival we organize for um, Indian student. So let me see how to open it. Mhm.
Yes, actually, yes, we can see it.
Yeah.
It stopped though.
It stopped though. Okay.
It's not moving.
Okay.
And next time you need to download it in your computer, not the cloud. Actually, you might have the like some lagging will be there.
Yeah.
Now it stopped though. It helps in your you.
Yeah, but the idea here is we organize a holy festival that is for Indian student in not only in YZU, but we also open it for all the Indian student around Taiwan to come to YZU. Yeah. So here's some of the picture from the that activity. Yeah.
Actually, it's breaking. Actually, you can see the photo and then.
Yeah. Anyway, I will give the link to the slide later. So if everyone want to watch it, you can just scan the link and watch it later. But we have a very happy days that time about the Holi festival, and I love that activity a lot. The next is some picture about the YZU life of the student. We have the dormitory, we have cafeteria, and we have one Olympic-sized running track and stadium for the student. We have global lounge open freely and 24-hour for the student. We also have the library and fitness center like this one. And this is a lab facility. Some of the picture we take from the lab in YZU. So what can you learn at YZU? So there's a lot of program in YZU. I will not cover everything, but I will just introduce to you some of the program I love a lot from YZU. For example, the first is about engineering. This program is from the College of Engineering, in YZU, and they working with about the have one research field about ocean plastic. So what it is? So if you go to the ocean, we have a lot of plastic from the humans. We put a lot of trust into the ocean. So YZU, we try to have one way to try to recycle all of this ocean plastic. So for example, some normal people just go there to take the picture of the beach, but for YZU student, they will go there to collect the plastic. And what did they do after that? We have one collaboration with the Pali and Adidas, and Far Eastern is one of the working with the ocean plastic, and we try to recycle the plastic to make the fiber, and we are the fiber supplier for 7 out of the 32 teams, football team in the World Cup 2022, and one of the team wearing our T-shirt. I mean the football shirt is Argentina, and he's a Leon Messi, and by the end of the day, he won the World Cup 2022, and luckily the T-shirt he's wearing actually come from Far Eastern. That is the group that that is a group that YZUs belong to. So that's one of the thing I want to introduce to you. The second is I want to introduce to you about one class from electrical engineering. Yeah. So this is a class about robot in YZU. So have 2 robot here, a yellow and the green one. Yeah, so the student in the class will learn about how to make the robot like this, and they will, programming and use the controller to have the robot. And in the class, they not only learn about how to make the robot, but they have the exciting class because they can allow the robot to fight to each other and something like this. So I will give you the link to watch this one later. Yeah. Yeah, talking more about the admission. So, if you love to go to Taiwan to study and apply for YZU, you can choose to apply into our system. So this is some schedule about the application time. So
Right now,
if you want
actually,
to
we
apply
can.
now,
Oh, okay, no problem. Yes, yes. Now we can see it now. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
yeah. So if you want to apply now, the nearest time you can apply is in December 15. So the system will open for nearly 6 months from December 15 to June 15. And we will have around 3 admission wave, and we will announce the admission results as soon as possible for you. And if you apply and successful, you can entry into YZU in the next September. So key requirements when you apply, you need to remember something like what is your previous degree and transcript. You need to have 2 referee letters, and you also need to prepare the statement of purpose and the CV, and also some English certificates. But you are Indian student, so I think you don't need to prepare for English certificates. But on the above thing, you need to prepare well about that to compete with all the candidates. About the scholarship. To study in YZU, we have some scholarship from government and organization, for example, MOFA, MOE, and ICDF for international student. But in campus, you also can choose something like a YZU scholarship. So I will introduce to you more about this later, and also some scholarship for as the I and TA for the professor. For example, 2 professor already mentioned to you about they also have some scholarship in the hands. So if you are have impressive application, for sure you can contact to the professor, and we are willing to give you the scholarship from the professor. So these are some more detail about YZU scholarship. So this is a scholarship provided by YZU to the excellent international student. For example, if you are a bachelor student, you can get the scholarship of tuition from 20% to 100%. If you are a master student and PhD student, in addition to the tuition, you also can have a chance to get the scholarship of the stipend. For example, master student, you can get around 10,000 NTD per month. For PhD student, it will be higher a little bit, up to 13,000 per month. And in addition to this, for sure, for PhD student, normally you can work with the professor in the lab and you had the IA salary by the advisor. These are some social media
Yeah.
of the YZU.
Yeah, 1 NT is 2.5 rupees.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
that amount of money for sure you can live very comfortable in Zhongli in Taiwan. It's a very easy
It
life.
just can survive, okay, sir. Please
Yeah,
don't
yeah. More
only
than
survive.
survive.
Yes, yes. Only
More than
survive.
survive. Yes.
Yes.
Some social media of YZU. For example, we have Facebook, we have Instagram, and we have the YouTube. You just go to these channels and picture. For example, this is a Facebook. Sometimes we introduce about Indian culture, like some Indian words, some Indian vocabulary, so that we introduce the Indian culture to all the international students in YZU. And here's Instagram. The picture here is Raza. He's a former how to say, he's a former of the GSA Global Student Association. So he's come from Indian too. And this is one YouTube video we introduced about the Sastra internship student. They go to visit the TSMC, the biggest company in about semiconductor industry in Taiwan. So we have a lot of Indian students, and we share a lot of good moments from your student into not only for around the world, but also on the potential student who want to go to YZU. So if you want to watch more, you just scan this QR code to
QR
watch
code,
more.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So I finished my presentation. So if you want to download the today's slide, you can quickly take your phone and scan this QR code. You can easy to get all the information today. Yeah. Thank you.